From the teacher's point of view, we can go straight back into EdPuzzle. I've also got Google Classroom open there to show you what it's like to correct these. So in EdPuzzle, I'm on the page for my class and in the assignment on the burpees. And as you can see, there's some information there straight away. I've got Steve Jobs has watched it 100% and turned it in on time, which means that he's finished the video. Whereas Joe Blogs here has only watched half of it. Last time we watched it was 18 minutes ago and he has not turned it in yet, so it's not been automatically finished. But you do see I've got 2 answers to grade. So the first question I give them was multiple choice and it's self-corrected, but the 2 students have submitted long answers and I have to grade those. So if I select 2 answers to grade, I can see the question was, what is your favorite exercise? PlayStation running. So I'm going to say that he was wrong, but the running was correct. So I've got no other questions to grade, and I can show all the questions, and it just gives you a breakdown of who's answered what. I can return to my Google Classroom. I can log into the assignment itself. So under classwork, I've clicked into the assignment. I can see that Steve Jobs' work has been marked. I can't mark Joe's because it hasn't been resubmitted. Steve got 50 out of 100. And if I want to return Steve his result, I can just click on that and return. I can add a comment, obviously, and just hit return. Now Steve will get his result in Google Classroom.